In an ever-changing business environment, manufacturers strive to strengthen their competitiveness. However, outdated Excel-based production management and present system integration challenges resulting in unstable systems make it hard to perform tasks systematically and efficiently. Introducing Samsung SDS Business Rule Management Solution, enabling intelligent manufacturing. Samsung SDS Nexplant MES SD. Nexplant MES SD enables rational decision-making through quick modeling and analysis. Implemented based on the standardization of work order tools and real-time data collected from manufacturing sites, the simulation-based Nexplant MES SD leverages visual modeling with displays of labeled icons, facilitating quick comparisons, analysis, and business rule changes. By simply understanding the production process, even those without modeling expertise can respond quickly to various requirements, thereby significantly improving overall development productivity. Nexplant MES SD enables best practices to maximize performance. Rule simulation, which can predict runtime and verify result values, allows real-time prediction. And with pre-validated logic, a manager can compare process changes before and after deployment. A structured rule version is deployed to all servers simultaneously. When trouble strikes, the history of the rules that have been implemented in the past, the execution paths, and the result values are displayed. In addition, Nexplant MES SD supports a full rollback to the time the issue occurred to identify the cause and fix the problem, thus enabling stable configuration management. A redundant server makes it possible to achieve production targets by enabling systematic application and operation without downtime. Nexplant MES SD is a proven solution ensuring high performance and reliability. With our industry-proven experience, including semiconductors and displays, expertise in building logistics automation line, and top-notch technology used for our proprietary scheduling and dispatching solution, it offers end-to-end services from system PI, consulting, development to operations. With Nexplant MES SD, enhance your manufacturing competitiveness and achieve the highest level of productivity through continuous diagnosis and monitoring. Optimize your entire manufacturing process with Samsung SDS Nexplant MES SD.